Three vintage meat grinders, different sizes and makers, all in working condition, all clamped for a quick demonstration. This is a Universal number 2 LF&G, New Britain, Connecticut, USA. It's the largest of the grinders offered here. It has the attached wheel as well as the nut butter cutter and two others that go with this one. Next size down is number 1, made in Canada, RUSS, looks like WTN number 1. This one says patented in Canada, August 27th, 01. This comes with 2 extra grinding wheels. Also in nice working condition. This is cool because it has a little latch. It pops up and it folds apart. Comes apart for very easy cleaning. And kind of snaps right back in there. Lines right back up. Snaps shut. And you're ready to go. Of course it won't close unless it's lined up correctly. So let me set the camera down and get this right. 1 and 2. This gear goes down. That's what it is. Okay. Easy enough. Works well. All 3 of these work. And finally we have probably the oldest. It's number 0 Universal, a food chopper, as it says. This looks like it has a reversible piece on the front. Working condition. The patent dates are marked on both sides of this grinding handle. It's Great Britain and Belgium with dates, looks like 1897 and some other numbers. All 3 of these are being offered together for auction. Please bid now, make them yours. Add to your collection or start your own collection with these meat and food grinders. Very cool looking. They're all different in their own way. Universal number 2 with a nut butter cutter and 2 other gears. Made in Canada, Rustwind, and a number 0 Universal, Great Britain and Belgium. Thanks very much for looking. Email me with questions.